Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a WhatsApp chat button like this on your WordPress website. Like just you can click on WhatsApp button and you can directly connect it with us. So you just have to go to the WordPress dashboard and select the plugin. You can just add a new plugin and search for click to chat. So you can see at the top there is a plugin click to chat by Holy Themes. You can just install this and activate it. Now from the dashboard you can see there is the option of click to chat. Just click on their settings. And now you can see there is a different field. The first field is from where you can add your WhatsApp number. You can add it. Now there is a label message. If you want to add any message you can add it here. Now there is a WhatsApp button name, and after that there is some styles option, like what kind of style do you want. So you can check all these options and choose which is best for you. And after that there is a position type which is fixed on the free version, and then you can also change the position from where you show this icon and add some padding as well. And the my favorite feature is that there is also option for mobile customization. Like if you want to add the WhatsApp button on the right side on the mobile, you can also do that and show the left on from the desktop. So this is the main option which I like on this plugin. And also if you want to show the WhatsApp on the different tab, like when you click on it you will directly connect to the WhatsApp from whatsapp.me. Then you can select that link, and if you want to show this WhatsApp icon from the whole website, you can select these settings. Like I didn't change anything from here because I want to show the WhatsApp button on all the pages. So after all these settings you can just save these changes and check on your website that it's working or not. So now you can see that the WhatsApp button are showing here. When you click on it, it's going to that. Then you can click on that button, then you can directly go to the WhatsApp. So I have to show the proper box of WhatsApp here. When you click on the button, then proper message will be shown that how can I help you, like that. So for that you can go to the greetings. So there is two options. You can select the first option, the customizable design, because you can customize this design here. Like you can change the text, images, etc. So for now you can just save these changings and check on the website how it's looking. So this is the by default interface. We can easily change this text and the header text as well. So just go back to there, and first you can add the image on the header or the text. So I want to add my name here and save it, and look how it is looking now. So looking cool. Now I want to change the main content. So you can add any message according to your thoughts. And just save it. So this is the final version. You can change the colors, background color, etc. And just click on this button, WhatsApp link, and you can directly connect to the WhatsApp. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.